That's all there is to it. What are we doing?
I'm introducing you. You stand over there. I'll get that. Look what showed up at my place. Think I could use any of it? Unfortunately, he showed up too, and he eats a lot, so I can't keep him. All this stuff is Bridgeport band. I was trying to hide that it came from an auction. This is Frank. Frank lives in, where you live?
Oh, someplace in New Mexico.
Prison?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. New Mexico sometimes can be feel like a prison east of Albuquerque.
Okay. Well, last year, I got to sit down some.
You go.
Let's sit down now. Oh. Now, last year, when I was going out to the bash in California, Frank met me at a lunch Mexican food place and gave me this little item, the right angle. Had no use for it. Buys things at auction. And this year he come to my shop and he's brought me these other Bridgeport accessories. So we'll have a match set of stuff. Here, hold that in your mouth. No, you don't have to hold it in your mouth.
So
Tell
what?
us about yourself.
Not much to say. Retired.
Okay, well then give me the microphone.
Yeah, no, just retired. After 36 years of federal service and trying to learn a new craft before the fingers and the toes don't work anymore.
Tell me about that. You never know. I went to bed and woke up like this. Yeah. So it's good to get it while you can.
Well, Steve, I mean, this is, as I told you, this is an incentive for you to continue to get better. And Lord willing, next year, this time, you're going to give me a damn scraping class.
Lord willing. What it takes.
Anyway, you're doing well. Doing well, my man.
That's the... Swing that around. That. See the other side. That is set up for tailstock point. This is the Bridgeport item that bolts onto here and makes this Bridgeport turn into a vertical and bolts to your table. And we're going to make some gears of this. It's got a nice little half point on it. So with these two things, I'd set up this and this and turn the Bridgeport into horizontal and do gears. Well, thank you for coming.
You're very welcome, Steve. Lord willing, we'll see you soon.
He's going to end up on the back of his truck out there. We've got two of the old operators. He's going to make himself a welding positioner. Have fun doing it. All right, that's enough. See y'all later.